Very short. Very short. Very short. It is a revelation, and I just want to share with you. Me say, way. Be the sounds that proceed the manifestation of God. Be the sounds that proceed the manifestation of God. Beloved, baby, who will be watching me. I want it to be the sounds it proceed the manifestation of God. Denyan kupon eni munyam edi. Denyan kupon ninjume edi. Wo wabra bo wo bom. Wo wana montu bia obetu wasase. Denyan kupon ninyama pa edi. And then I'm person member we Yahweh. Because every sound produces vibration. And every vibration produces attention. And see, what sound are you proceeding? Madebia nipa eti ewo wo ni say wo di atem. Debia nipa to wo ni say wo kan kofo nsam. You are proceeding a sound that is contrary to the will of God. And Jesus wants you to forget. Jesus wants you to stop. Erade person wo jai na wo proceed adia obe manifesti anu erade nyankopon ni munyam. And for life and proceed bibi and share bonsam ni munyam. Anopa obi adia wo ye nan se ni obi bu hu ni se wo di kokonsa. Jo obi someone that obi ni mu se baby wo hu die anokumi na okodi kokonsa masotwe basabasa ye na wodoko. Listen to me, proceed different sound that orchestra for the will of God. Don't proceed a sound that are contrary to the will of God. Be the sound that proceed the manifestation of God, and you'll be a blessing. God bless you. Amen.